On the storm watch this afternoon because we could be seeing a little bit of rocky weather this afternoon, Sarah.
Yeah, you know, we have really warm and muggy conditions out there right now, and there is a front to the west that's going to trigger the threat of those showers and storms as we go through the afternoon. So just eye to the sky, taking a look, current conditions, 80s in Boston. Look at the dew points, quite sticky. Any more breaks in the cloud cover will fuel that threat, but you can see we've already are tracking some showers and storms out to the west. Severe thunderstorm right here in Albany. That goes until 1 o'clock. So we're going to be watching as these storms push eastward through the afternoon. Heavy downpours, damaging wind gusts, that will be your main threat with any strong to severe storm. But there is still the potential of seeing some hail and even some rotation. We'll be watching for that possibility. Timing out the risk, I think the best bet through the early afternoon will be further north and west. But as we get closer to the commute time, that's when we'll start to see the risk of those showers and storms along the pike, perhaps even in the Boston metro area. This could lead to some lower visibility as well as some ponding on the roadways, creating some difficult traveling for sure. And as we go through the evening, we'll watch for that threat to diminish as those storms begin to weaken once that sun sets and it pushes to the southeast. So it's pretty quick, but of course it could create quite a big impact. If you are headed to Fenway, just be aware for that chance of a storm. Temperatures will be falling from the 80s through the 70s, but tomorrow, a gorgeous day, much cooler, 60s for the game, and we'll start to see some high clouds moving on in. So highs tomorrow, big difference. 70s inland, 60s, 70s at the coast. I mentioned those high clouds because they are going to be linked to Hurricane Dorian, believe it or not. Already seeing some of those high clouds through parts of the mid-Atlantic. Still a Category 2 hurricane with winds of 105 miles per hour, moving north-northwest at 9 miles per hour right now. And we do have hurricane watch and hurricane warnings up and down the coast. Also, we have storm surge watches and warnings, expecting parts of the Carolinas to see a potential 4 to 8 foot storm surge. So that is the water rushing in. And on top of that, destructive waves as well. Already have a few hurricane force wind gusts up along the coast. Those winds over the water really creating some big waves out there, close to 40 feet in some locations. And that's what we're going to be watching closely, because what I'm expecting is Hurricane Dorian to remain a Category 2, get really close to the Carolinas. Still, there could be some adjustment in this track as the day unfolds, as well as through Friday, but nearing the Outer Banks early Friday morning before racing off southeast and passing just south of our area. Now, we are not in this cone. However, we still are expected to see some impacts with large waves, dangerous surf, as well as some rip currents and possible coastal wind and downpours, with the highest threat over southeast Mass, Cape Cod, and that's Friday into Saturday. So taking a look at that 7-day forecast, you'll see, yes, we have the chance of showers and storms today, cooler tomorrow, but we bring back that rain chance just because of Dorian passing by. Friday into Saturday, cooler as well, but right now looking a little bit better as we head into Sunday.